In this video, I want to go ahead and show you how you can share your screen on Zoom. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is super simple and super easy. The first thing you want to do is obviously download and install Zoom on your laptop, computer, whichever you're using. So first of all, what you will need to do is you'll need to create a new meeting or join a meeting. So for me, I'm just going to create a new meeting just for this example here. And as you can see, it's now connecting, and usually it is your webcam, but I've not got my webcam on at the moment, so I'm just going to join with computer audio, and that's absolutely fine to do. And if you want to share your screen, what you can do is you can come down to this share your screen button down here and click on that, or you can also click on Alt and S. So I want to click on that, and then what you've got here is a couple of options you can choose from. So you can link up your iPhone or your iPad, or you can share your programs that you've got open on your laptop or PC, or you can also share a whiteboard. So if I click on share whiteboard, for example, and click on share, what you can do is you can go ahead and do some drawings, do some text. So for example, leave a like on this video. So drop a like on this video, guys, if this did help you out, and that's one way you can go ahead and share your screen. And I want to go ahead and show another feature on the share screen bit. And what you need to do is come again to the share screen, and you can go ahead now. Usually it opens up in basic, which I've just shown you before, or you can go to advanced and you can share a portion of your screen, or you can share content from a second screen or anything like that. So if you click on share portion of screen and then click on share, what you can do is you can move this around, so you can make it bigger and then stretch it out a little bit, and then you can go ahead and say move this to this side, and what that will do is it will only share the right side of your screen. So that's a really useful way if you only want to share a certain part of your monitor. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.